welcome to a Q&A on Mr. Waterman. So I've got a bunch of questions in front of me and let's get answering them. First question is from Alex and he says, why are we called Mr. Waterman? Well, if you think about it strategically, you get Waterman's our surname and you get Monahan's and Ben Adams' surname. Put them together, Waterman. Next question is from Joel and he says, would you consider getting a new member in replacement of Ben? Well, firstly, we have got a new member and it's going to be Sam Coles. So no, because we've already got one. But thanks for the question. Mark has asked, are we considering any new merchandise? Well, we've got our t-shirts, but yeah, I don't think we are, because if you want a t-shirt, make sure to contact us. Another question is from Luke, and he says, would you do any collaboration videos? And the answer to that is maybe a couple. So yeah, a couple of gaming ones maybe. Another question is from Dan. He says, what other future gaming videos will be on the channel? Well, I am proud to announce that Rocket League and maybe Minecraft. Next one, and it's from James, Alex and George, and they said, what made you start YouTube? Simple answer to that is we were a bit bored and it's quite entertaining. Here's another question from George, and it's, can you say my full name? So, George Gillard. A question from Will, and he says, why did Ben leave? Simply, couldn't be bothered, CBA. He just didn't have the passion that he did when he started. So here's a question from Dan, different Dan. He says, would we consider YouTube as a future job? Well, maybe as a second job, because, I mean, thank you for the support, but we haven't got like the amount of subscribers I think you need for it to be your job. And the final question is from Kieran, and he says, why does Robbie wear a hat? Well, that answer to that question is to block his eyes from the sun. So I hope you like this Q&A. If your question didn't get answered, then there might be a Q&A in a couple of weeks. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.